your local civil authorities have issued the civil danger warning for your area. A strange phenomenon is happening in your area. The phenomenon is where the person having symptoms of extreme deja vu and thinking that time is going faster. It is still unknown if this phenomenon is contagious. Watch out for these individuals. If you have any of these symptoms, call 911 immediately.
McDonald's world-famous fries and return with just one. Who are you, and how do you do that?
This message was transmitted at the request of your local law enforcement. In the past few days, more reported cases of the phenomenon time realization have popped up in the city of Des Moines. For your safety, remain indoors, avoid non-essential travel, and most importantly, quarantine if needed. If you see one of these individuals, call the local police at 911.
This is an emergency message issued by the U.S. government. Repeat: the virus known as time realization has been spreading. This is concerning us greatly. For your safety, remain indoors.
This is a message from the app. This time all warnings have been lifted. It is safe to go outside now. Go outside now. Go outside now and meet us. Embrace us. Embrace us. Go outside now. This message was transmitted with the request of the U.S. government. This is going to be the last message from the U.S. government. In the past days, the phenomenon known as time realization has spread all over the United States. The president is dead, and most of Congress has died from this disease. At this time, the citizens of the USA have to rely on their cities or local governments for assistance. God bless America. This message is transmitted at the request of the mayor of Seattle. At this time, the U.S. government has fallen a couple hours. For your safety, remain indoors and quarantine. We will try our best to protect our civilians from threats such as victims of the time realization virus. Thank you and stay safe out there. God bless America.
It's time for your yearly booty cleaning. Marvin, do you want to help?
I'm not gonna help you clean Jeffy's tight butt.
And it's like digging for treasure.
Come on, mommy.
Let's get this shit. Let's get this shit. Let's.